Hello all, welcome to Selenium Python Training series. In this session, as part of Introduction to Selenium, I am going to show you the list of different browsers which are currently supported by Selenium. So let's get started. What are the different browsers that are currently supported by Selenium? All the popular browsers that are available in the market are supported by Selenium, guys. So here is the list of browsers which are supported by Selenium, that is Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Edge, Opera, and Safari. Okay, so it seems like all these browsers are supported by Selenium. Yes, Selenium supports all these browsers, but there are some updates, guys. Okay, there are some recent updates where you see it is an external update. First of all, okay, Chrome, Firefox, no changes. Okay, Selenium supports Chrome, Firefox, and all these browsers also, but it is an external factor where you have to know something like IE browser is currently deprecated by Microsoft. Okay, the Microsoft has deprecated this IE browser now. You can see here, okay, Microsoft has deprecated this browser, and instead Microsoft is suggesting us to move to Edge browser. Okay, the people who are using IE browser, right? Microsoft is recommending them to use Edge browser. Okay, no more updates for IE browser. It's becoming a legacy. It already has become a legacy product. Now people have to move to Edge browser, okay, because the technologies or architecture of this IE browser are a bit old and are not suitable for the recent technologies are happenings in the market. Hence, Microsoft has decided to deprecate this IE browser and is recommending us to move to the Edge browser. And if you have the latest Windows operating system that is more than 10 and all, by default, you will not get any IE browser, guys. Okay, in the Windows 11 onwards, you will get only Edge browser, and that too in the older operating systems like Windows 10 and other lower versions. Okay, there also the IE browser used to come, but maybe some updates are going to be released by Microsoft team. May all also have been released. I don't know, but with that updates, right? We will not see IE browser anymore in the even the old versions also because of some updates of from Microsoft, right? We will not see IE browser anymore, and we have to switch to Edge browser. That's the only the future. Okay, since Microsoft itself is deprecating, there is no need of knowing how to run Selenium automation scripts using in IE browser and all. You don't have to know it at all. You can ignore this point. Okay, though Selenium supports the IE browser, but we are not going to learn anything about that because Microsoft team has deprecated that. Microsoft company has deprecated this browser and recommending us to the move to the Edge browser. Okay, let me prove this for you. So for that, I'll do one thing. I'll just type chat GPT here and I'll go to this openai.com and try chat GPT. Let's ask this question to chat GPT and let's find out whether Microsoft team has really, deprecated this IE browser or not. Okay, let's find it out. Okay, so here already have asked, I guess, but let me ask it again. Has Microsoft deprecated Internet Explorer browser? Let's find it out what the answer we are going to get. Yes, Microsoft has officially deprecated. You see, it's clearly saying that ChatGPT is clearly this AI tool, AI chat is clearly saying that it has officially deprecated IE browser as of on which date also is given June 15, 2022, guys. Okay. June 15, it's almost more than 6 months. This means that the company will no longer support the browser, release security updates, no security updates you're going to receive, or provide any technical support for it. Okay, in its place, Microsoft is encouraging users to adapt to which browser? A newer modern web browser, that is Microsoft Edge browser. People have to migrate from IE browser to Microsoft Edge browser now, which is available for everything and it's an open source. Yeah, supports extensions. You see a lot of new technology minded browser it is. Okay, similar to Chrome. Edge is also like very competitive and it's a futuristic kind of browser you can say. Though IE browser was popular since 1995, but it has been losing market since in recent years due to the competition from other browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. With Microsoft decision to deprecate IE, users are advised to switch to more modern and secure browser to ensure the best possible browsing experience. That is none other than Edge browser they are recommending us. Okay, so with that you can clearly understand that. Okay, Microsoft has deprecated IE browser, and though Selenium supports this IE browser, we are not going to do anything. We are not going to learn it because Microsoft has officially deprecated it or deprecated it. Okay, 6 months back from now. Okay. Okay, then Edge browser, it's supporting. Now, current famous browsers in the market are Chrome, Firefox, Edge. And the other one is Opera, guys. Opera Selenium supports, okay? But in the latest versions of Selenium, guys, okay? In the beginning versions of Selenium 4, Opera was there, guys, but in the latest versions, okay? So currently, which latest version is running? And let me show you guys, okay? If you go to the official website of Selenium, I'll show you the latest version that's currently running on Selenium. If you go to the downloads page of this official website, you can scroll down and clearly see here Python. What is the current version that is running for the Selenium Python 4.8.0? Okay, in this kind of latest versions, guys. Okay, somewhere around the Selenium guys have decided, right? They don't want to, uh, encourage Opera browser anymore. Okay, so Opera support is removed, guys. You're not getting in the latest versions of Selenium. You're not getting any options to run the scripts on Opera browser. Okay, that's the problem. So I'll show you clearly about this. I'll show you the things clearly. Okay, in the upcoming sessions, like why Opera browser is the support for Opera browser has gone away. Okay, I'll show you practically. Okay, so I'll prove you that practically in the upcoming sessions, where when you're writing some Selenium automation code, you cannot run your scripts on Opera browser. Okay, so let's not go deep into that, but at a high level, let's discuss here what are the different browsers which are supported by Selenium apart from Chrome. That means whatever the automation code you are written in the using the Selenium automation tool, right? Those automation scripts you can run on Chrome browser, you can run on Firefox browser, but IE it's not required because Microsoft has deprecated this browser already. Edge browser, you can run your automation scripts, and Opera browser, we can run in the older versions of Selenium, but in the latest version of Selenium, we cannot run it because the support has been removed. Latest version of Selenium is not supporting this, guys. Okay, not supporting this Opera browser, though they have not officially announced, but it's happening. I'll show you practically in the upcoming sessions. Coming to the Safari browser, if you are using any Mac machine, then the only the kind of browser that people generally use in the Mac machine is Safari browser. Selenium also supports this popular browser known as Safari browser, where you can run your Selenium automation scripts in the Safari browser also. Okay, so though there are six, okay, if someone asks you what are the different browsers that are supported by Selenium, you can say that all the popular browsers in the market like Chrome, Firefox, IE, Edge, Opera, and Safari are supported by Selenium, where you can run your automation scripts on. That's fine. But in addition, you have to mention that as Microsoft has already deprecated this IE browser and recommending the users to move to Edge browser, there is no need of whether it is supporting also, there is no use. And coming to the latest versions of Selenium, okay, what's happening is the support for Opera has been removed. Okay, so hence we cannot run our automation scripts on Opera browser, even though Selenium is supporting it. Okay, the latest versions of Selenium, we cannot use Opera browser. I'll show you that practically later. This is how you have to answer this. Okay, if someone asks you. So the best place. Okay, finally, these things keep on changing, guys. When I'm recording this video, this may be the updated thing. Okay, today if you're watching the video when I'm recording, then this things make sense. But we should not be depending on a particular day, right? Things keep on changing. Okay, the things keep on changing, and it may not be easy for me to go back and change the details every time. Okay, so I'll give you one solution, guys, where this content may not make sense in the coming days, okay, when you're watching this video. So what you can do is by yourself is that you can go to this best place that I'm going to recommend to find the updated list of supported browsers. Okay, tomorrow these things may not be applicable. Okay, or there may be some changes. Okay, things keep on changing, right? So earlier IE was there, now IE is not there. Earlier support for Opera was there, now it's not there. Like that, things keep on changing. But if you come to this best place to find the updated list of supported browsers, then it will be kind of confirmed, or officially you can certify yourself like these are the list of browsers that are okay currently supported by and are used by for running the automation scripts of Selenium on them. Okay, so what is that best place? The best place is none other than the official website of Selenium only. So just browse this official website of Selenium, selenium.dev, and click on the downloads and scroll down in the downloads page of this official website, where you will see something known as browsers and operating system. Click on the browsers, guys. The Selenium guys keep on updating this page, okay, often. So you see these are the list of browsers that are currently supported by Selenium. There may be other browsers added tomorrow or any other browsers removed tomorrow. We don't know. Currently, these are the list of browsers that are currently supported by Selenium. That is Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari browser, okay, Opera browser, Chrome browser, and Edge browser. Okay, whatever I mentioned here are currently supported by Selenium. Tomorrow things may change. Okay, this is a place to come and figure out like okay, Selenium is supporting which browsers at that moment. So that's all for this session, guys, where I have explained or showed you the list of different browsers that are currently supported by Selenium. So see you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.